Vidhi. Today, we all are gathered here to bid farewell to our lovely seniors with the belief that a new beginning is waiting for them.
We are indeed privileged and pleased to have respected HOD Sir Dr. Arvinder Singh with us. I would like to invite him to say a few words.
Yes, dear students, good evening to all of you. We have gathered today to bid farewell to our MSc final year students. Due to pandemic, we could not hold this party in the department, but with the same zeal, your juniors have organized this online party, or you can say meeting, with the active support of our vibrant physical science society. I really appreciate their untiring efforts. For the first time, we have also invited two alumni of the Department of Physics, and I hope you will enjoy interacting with them. Dr. Keshav Walia, who is presently Head of Physics Department at DAV University Jalandhar, is from the first batch of MSc. Yes, am I audible to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So Dr. Keshav Walia, he's a Head of Department at DAV University Jalandhar. So he is from the first batch of MSc of our department and won the gold medal in his master's degree. He also did PhD from NIT Jalandhar and is a very good researcher of international repute. Another alumnus, Dr. Napreet Singh, he did his PhD from the Department of Physics and then joined as a permanent faculty at Guru Nanak Dev University. Later on, he shifted to Canada and settled at Calgary. I would like to share with you Dr. Napreet Singh cleared NET JRF for 3 times when he was doing PhD in spite of the fact that he was having institute fellowship. So I will share one moment. One day he came to me and asked, sir, I am going to Chandigarh with my friends for giving NET exam. So I asked him that you have already cleared the same. So he replied with smile, sir, I like the beauty of Chandigarh and always find some excuse to visit Chandigarh. So today they will share their experiences with you, and I am sure you will be benefited by this interaction also. My dear students, remember the world outside this campus is entirely a different one. It's a new one. You will have to face many challenges in life, but I am sure you will emerge victorious. So with these words, I wish our outgoing students all the best and pray that all of you achieve your goals and have a bright future ahead. And our honorable director will also interact with you during this function as and when he will find times, because he is interacting with the students of other departments. Okay, with this, so all the best to my dear students. Yes, Pratibha, you can further proceed on.
Thank you so much, sir. Paul Richard said, men's feelings are always purest, most glowing in the hour of meeting and of farewell. So experience them and in upcoming song performance by Rishi Chaudhary.
Hello, hi, good evening all of you. Myself is Rishi and I am presenting a beautiful song in front of you. Hope you will enjoy it. So let's start. जन्म 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 साथ चलना यूं कसम तुम्हें कसम आके मिलना यूं तेरी जान है भले दो बदन को जुदा मेरी होके हमेशा ही रहना कभी न कहना अलविदा मेरी सुबह हो तुम्हें और तुम्हें शाम हो तुम दर्द हो तुम ही आराम हो सा बन के घुलना यूं ही, मेरी मोहब्बत का करना तू हक ये सदा, मेरी होके हमेशा ही रहना, कभी न कहना अलविदा, मेरी सुबह हो तुम्ही और तुम्ही शाम हो, तुम दर्द हो तुम ही आराम हो, मेरी दुआओं से आती है बस ये सदा, मेरी होके हमेशा ही रहना, कभी न कहना अलविदा। हा 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 Thank you.
It was indeed soothing and entertaining performance with true feelings. Thank you so much, Rishi, for this. Now, to make the event more interesting and fun-loving, we are having a game. My friends Adarsh and Rishi are coordinating for this. We hope you will actively participate in this. Adarsh, please.
Good morning, all of you. My name is Adarsh Jain. I'm from MSc Physics first year, and I'm here to host the game named Never Have I Ever. So basically, this game for our seniors, the final year students, whom we are bidding the farewell. So most of you must be familiar with this game, Never Have I Ever. But to those who are not so much familiar with this, I'm going to explain what the game is. In this game, I'm going to tell a thing or some work, um, and then if you have ever done those things or those works, you will raise a hand from the Google Meet, and then that hand raise will be recorded. We will record that hand raise. No one's going to ask you when did you or why did you did this or any sort of those questions. So feel free to raise the hands. No one's gonna ask you why did you did this, when did you did this, and all those things. And one request: please be honest in raising hands, as it will be more of fun then. Because if you will fake these things, it will not be so much of fun then. And for each hand raise will give you 1 point, and the person with most of the points at the end of game will win the game. So I think you have got the game. Let me explain it with one example. So the game will go like this: that I will start with saying, "Never have I ever played music and danced in the classroom." This is for example. Played music and danced in the classroom. So now those who have done this thing, played music and danced in the classroom, so those people will raise the hand, and when they will raise the hand, we will record that hand raise of yours. We will give you 5 seconds to raise the hands, and you will not lower the hand until we ask you to do so. Uh, and you will be awarded 1 point for each hand raise and for each action. And at the end of this, the student with the most point will win the game. So I've tried my level best to make you understand what the game is. If anyone have not understood it yet, please ask it now. Anyone who have not understood the game? So I think that's a yes from your side that you have all understood the game. This is for basically second year students. So I request you to please kindly participate in it, as it will be more of fun if you all will participate. One more thing, if you feel comfortable, actually the thing is these things will be related to the your memories which you have made in your earlier days in the college days. So if you feel comfortable that you can, then you can share a particular memory related to the questions after completion of game. So just like that dance thing earlier, the example which I have given. So if that memory, that is some memory that you can share, feel free to, you can, you feel that it will be nice to share, you can share it. It is not necessary to do that, but this game is all about making remember your fun memories at college. So if you will do that, it will be more of the fun. So now let's begin the game. So yeah, please keep your hands at the raise hand button because you will give 5 seconds for raising the hand. Okay, now your first thing is, never have I ever had lunch in ongoing offline classes. When you were in the NIT campus, you had lunch in the online classes. So you have 5 seconds to raise the hands. Uh, I request our seniors to raise the hand, please.
वाह, हमारे सीनियर खाने के शौकीन हैं, तो पूरी ऑनलाइन क्लास ऑनलाइन क्लास में भी खाते थे।
It's a common thing. We also used to do this. And now let's move on to the next question. And your second question for the game: never have I ever gave fake attendance for a friend in online lab or classes. That proxy kind of thing. The seniors must have done this. So you have 5 seconds to raise your hands.
इस बात को एक सीआर से ज्यादा कौन ही समझ सकता है?
Is the CR of a class. Got your point. Now lower your hands, please. Anita ma'am, please lower your hand. Now let's move on to the next question. And the third question for this segment is, never have I ever changed the name and submitted the same assignment as taken from the friend. Never have I ever changed the name and submitted the same assignment as taken from the friend. This must have been done by many people.
करते सब हैं, बताता कोई नहीं।
Adarsh,
Yes.
can you ask them to turn on the camera, please, so that we can see their expressions at least?
Yeah,
Yes,
sure.
please.
I request all the seniors to please turn on your cameras because it will be more of the fun to watch your expressions when you are doing all this thing. When your expressions will be spectacular. So now let's move on to the next question. Your fourth question for this round is, never have I. Dhananjay sir, please lower your hand. Now the next question is, never have I ever faked microphone problem in online class. Means sir, मेरा mic खराब हो गया. Even if it is not faulty. I see a lot of seniors are there.
Yes, lot of numbers.
They too are naughty. Now let's move on to the next question. Please lower your hands. The fifth question for this round is, never have I ever left laptop or device after joining class in online mode. Class join करके भग गए.
Almost all classes.
Almost all the
all
seniors are
seniors.
there. This is nice. Okay, that was interesting. So now let's move on to the next question. And your sixth question for this segment is, never have I ever bunked HOD's class. This will be. You have 5 seconds to raise hands.
वैसे तो हमारे एचओडी सर बहुत अच्छा पढ़ाते हैं, बट कभी-कभी हमारी प्रायोरिटीज सब बदल देती है।
हाँ, सही बात है. Priorities change.
Yeah, Adarsh. Yeah, I think director sir is there. Let us wait, huh?
Okay, sir. Let's pause the game at sixth question.
So we welcome respected Director Sir, Professor Lalit Kumar Awasthi on this occasion of farewell. It is truly an excellent opportunity for learning under your guidance, sir. I would like to invite Sir to say a few words.
बस ठीक हो बोलो एक मिनट ठीक है ना?
Good evening, sir.
दो अलग अलग हैं, ठीक है? अच्छा ये उनकी ओवरऑल स्क्रीन शेयर कर रखी है, स्क्रीन शेयर ये 5 8
Hello everyone,
Hello, sir.
Yes, good
I'm
evening.
Dr. Subhash Chandra, Dean Student Welfare. So, respected Director Sir, Professor L.K. Awasthi Sir, Deans, HODs, faculty members, and dear students. First of all, I welcome all passing out students, graduate and postgraduates. I congratulate them for completing their postgraduate and graduate studies. And also I congratulate them for getting good placements in this tough time. So those who could not able to get placement, I know that the market is now opening up, definitely get a very good placement. So it is only the time that matters, but you will all get placed at your the places where you want to be. So you have passed through very tough time of pandemic, COVID-19. So which has made us to learn a lot of lessons that how to adjust with the situation. So because we were not very conversant or very, we can say, comfortable with the online learning process. But we adopted this process, this system very well, and all of you performed very well to the online system of education. So no doubt there are some shortcomings associated with online system, but still we learned a lot and we could able to get the things as per our requirement. So now things are getting smoothing and vaccination, many types of vaccinations are coming out. And I know that many of you have already got the vaccination and your nears and dear ones have also got the vaccination. So I suggest all of you to get vaccinated at the earliest so that we should not allow the third wave to come. Right? So as we know that many countries who could able to vaccinate many of their population and they were not actually face the wave effect. So I wish all of you the very best for your all future endeavors. So thank you very much. Stay safe. God bless you. Now I request Professor L.K. Awasthi, Director, sir, to address the students. Thank you very much, sir.
Good evening to everyone, dear faculty members and the students who are graduating. It's a matter of pleasure that in spite of all odds, in spite of so big a pandemic like COVID, all of you have completed your graduation requirements and are ready to serve the country. And it has been almost now 1.5 years that the online teaching learning process is going on, and along with this, the evaluation, you can see the faculty of the institution have worked very hard along with you people to keep your pace of teaching, learning, evaluation at par with the other institutions of national importance, IIT, NITs. All the students have completed their requirements, and this particular year, you have been away from the institute for almost 1.5 years, I know, but in spite of this all, not only you have graduated, but most of you have got very good placement. So congratulations to all of you, and others are looking for some other options. Maybe they are going for entrepreneurship, they are going for their startup and other things. Institution, as you know, I have also spent around 4.5 years and have seen what has gone into this particular total process of 4.5 years. We have recruited excellent faculty. We have also invested in infrastructure of laboratories. We have also have the very good student welfare center, excellent gym facility, and on the cards are two big hostels, G plus 11 for girls, around 918 capacity, and equal another hostel for boys. So these two hostels will be ready by 2022, and this is how the NITJ has grown. You have seen the remarkable improvement in NIRF ranking. You have seen we are in Atal Innovation ranking in A band. All good works of faculty, students, staff, all together. Excellent work done. So I congratulate all of you and wish that the kind of hardworking culture, the kind of inputs which you received in this institute will be helpful in when you go to the industries, when you go to job place to put up your efforts. You see, outside it's a competitive environment, and everyone, your peers will be a competition to you. So nothing to worry about that. You need to put up a lot of hard work. You need to learn new technologies, and you need to adapt to the newer environment at a sooner pace. So I know you have been inculcated with all these qualities while at NIT Jalandhar, and I don't have even iota of doubt that you will find it difficult to cope up with the pressure in the corporate world or in research areas, whatever you choose. So all the very best for your future. I know your future is bright, and always keep the flag of NIT Jalandhar high and keep the flag of your country high. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much for your benign presence. We all are happy to have you and for your words. Now, I would like to invite Keshav Walia, sir. He is an alumni of our department. I would like to invite him to say some few words.
So, Honorable Director Sir, respected teachers and dear students, a very good evening to all. Is my voice audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. First of all, I'm really thankful to Physical Science Society of Department of Physics at Dr. B.R. Ambedkar National Institute of Technology, Jalandhar, for inviting me in the virtual farewell party of as 2019. First of all, a big congratulations to all the outgoing students. I am very much sure that all of you must have the mixed feelings today. That is a mixture of happiness and sadness, because like you, I also obtained master's degree in physics from the same institute in the year 2008. I still remember last days of my student life at NIT Jalandhar. Though it has been many years, but it seems like it was yesterday. On one side, you will be feeling happy as you are going to enter in completely new competitive world, which is filled with opportunities for you. But on other side, you will be feeling sad as you have to depart from this institute. So today is basically the time to bid you all farewell from this institute, which supported you, guided you during your stay at the institute. This institute has provided you all the best knowledge and essential tools for improving your skills, and I am sure you will make best use of those skills and knowledge while entering into this new competitive world with opportunities. And I'm sure you all are capable of chasing your dreams by exercising your willpower and efforts. Now, I would like to share my own story of student life I spent at, and I completed my graduation in the year 2006 from DAV College of Hoshiarpur. Then I was keenly interested to do my master's in physics. Naturally, if you are a science student, there is always a challenge for you to explore your possibilities in the physics stream. So I took admission at Punjabi University Patiala, but I had also filled the form of NIT Jalandhar. In fact, NIT Jalandhar had started a master's degree in physics for the first time, and I was also selected for doing MSc in physics at NIT Jalandhar, and I had already taken admission at Punjabi University Patiala, and I was attending the classes for a week. Then I took advice from one of my teacher, Professor N.K. Pathak sir, and he in fact insisted me to join master's program at NIT Jalandhar. At that time, his son was doing BTech in CSC at NITJ. Then I left Punjabi University Patiala after attending lectures for a week, and I took admission at NIT Jalandhar. I always consider myself lucky for taking that wise decision. That was really the turning point of my academic career. The physics department of NIT Jalandhar is well known for knowledgeable and skillful faculty members, and I was lucky to get such great teachers from whom I got inspired and realized how to push myself beyond the comfort zone. I was a small city boy, and after coming here, I realized that sky is not the limit. Should aim beyond that. I completed my master's in physics in the year 2008, and I was so much affectionate with my institute that I took admission in PhD program at the same institute in the field of theoretical plasma physics under the kind supervision of Professor Arvinder Singh. And during my PhD, I participated in various international scientific activities outside India, and I was having interaction with senior researchers of my field from all over the world. The appreciation which I received from them on my work was really motivating for me, and just realized that the name of the institute hardly matters in research, and if you are doing well in research, then naturally you will be appreciated everywhere you go. I completed my PhD in the year 2012, and I joined Institute of Plasma Research Scientist, and I worked there for near about 8 to 10 months. I was also offered visiting scientist position to work with Professor Manfred Lehn of Leibniz University, Hanover, Germany in 2013. But at the same time, I got regular job of assistant professor at Department of Physics, DAV University, and I joined DAV University as assistant professor in physics department in August 2013. Now I am serving that institute for near about 8 years, and presently I am working the head of physics department at DAV University, Jalandhar. I would personally feel whatever I have achieved in my life is all due to blessings of my teachers, and I want to give my special thanks to my PhD supervisor, Professor Arvinder Singh, for showing trust in me. Sir, I honestly appreciate your time, service, and all which you put on me to be successful in my life. I must say that without your push, it would not have been possible. Lastly, for the outgoing students, I wish all your dreams come true, and may God shower his blessings on all of you. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir, for your golden words, your time, and your guidance. It means a lot for us. Thank you, sir.
Well,
Now, I invite our dear seniors to share their experience of their journey for and also for giving some future advices to us so that we can work like them. Anyone who is interested in sharing their views?
Yeah, hello. Yeah, hi,
Yes,
I'm Hari
please.
Prash. Yeah, hi, I'm Hari Prashad from the second year. So, yeah, an excellent warm evening to the respected director, my professors, research scholars, my dear friends, yeah, juniors too. Thank you very much for this opportunity. These 2 years have been very crucial and highly valuable for us. Since we all have studied together, since we ate together, played together, also lived together, bonds have been formed both socially and intellectually. We very rarely, mostly never had a nostalgia of our home when we were in our institute. But now we often having nostalgia for NITJ while we are sitting in home. Before joining here, we all had a lot of expectations about the things that we will learn here. The very first thing that impressed us is our professors' depth of knowledge in their field, their dedication, their guidance. Whenever we discuss with our friends in other institutes, our professors' supervision and guidance in academic and future career is outstandingly distinguishing our NIT Jalandhar from other institutions. They have been highly inspiring to us, and we often wish to observe from them as much as we can. Now we all are we all are deeply missing all those times we spent in offline and online classes, and also the suspense of showing answer sheet after the examination, and higher study advisors in between the lectures. We are so much proud that our steps towards our higher studies and career has inaugurated in our NIT Jalandhar. Personally speaking, I often procrastinate, and I often being susceptible to distraction. All those times I ask myself, am I doing what I expected myself to do? Sometimes I wasn't. So all those times I rethink about the great facilities available in our institute and our professors' dedication, the way the things they manage, I get deeply motivated. In everyone's life, at some point, at some time, we will learn several important things that have an enriching impact on future. And we will learn things that will redefine who will be. And to me, of course, for all of us, NITJ is that place. We all perish and recognize the moment that we spent at NITJ. It has been 2 good years filled with various learnings, emotions, and intellectual bondings. We deep-heartedly thank our worthy director, all our professors, research scholars for guiding, motivating us along the way, for all your inspiration and perpetual support. We will keep doing good with all your wishes. We will keep representing our institute's pride wherever we go as an alumni. And as an advice to our juniors, there's simply only one thing you have to keep in your mind. Always remember the reason why you came to NIT Jalandhar. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Hello,
Yes,
Hello.
ma'am.
am I
Yes,
audible?
ma'am. Yes.
Okay. A very good evening to our the director, sir, respected faculty members, and all those who shared space on the pages of my life books for past 2 years. I, Chanchal Charan, feel obliged to have received this golden opportunity to share my experiences. It is an arduous task to share all the experience in a few minutes, but I'll try my level best. As a master's degree is a dream for all of us before even it is begun, a dream that we all live together through during very turbulent times. However, it is the dream that we all fulfilled, and today we are here, all awakened and inspired only to dream bigger. The 2 years have passed at the light speed, although this pandemic halted all the entire world. It feels like yesterday when we took the important decision of our life to pursue master's degree in MSc, master's degree in physics at NIT Jalandhar. In past 2 years, we have transformed personally and professionally, and the NIT Jalandhar is the heart of this process. I would like to take this opportunity to thank a few of many that altered our perceptions by reinforcing the values of this institute. First and foremost, I would like to thank our director, Sir Professor Lalit Kumar Avasthi, who is an epitome of discipline and kindness. His inspiring words always motivated us, and I must acknowledge that we have learned the important lessons of life from Sir. That is to be disciplined and self-restrained. The policies that Sir have or launched in our institute earned a great fame and recognition in the world of education. Your no tolerance toward the ragging was one of the most appreciated steps that earned huge accolades for our institute. Sir, I am very sure that the lessons of life we have learned from you would help us to climb the ladders of success in our future. I would also like to thank all the teaching fraternity for not only imparting us the knowledge of fancy physics like quantum, liquid crystals, nanotechnology, and like, but also the moral values that is the key of success in today's life. Thank you for pushing us beyond our limits, testing our strength, and shaping to become better versions. I'm really thankful to the non-teaching members of physics and academic department for their unconditional support during our journey. And whatever we learned in those classrooms or through the online platforms are not the physics lessons. They are also the lessons of life that we will carry along forever. I thank all the wonderful and bright minds of inspiring faculty members, laborious PhD scholars, and my dear friends who made this experience unforgettable. We have created something. Yes, we created something that is strong than a network. We created a bond of respect, gratitude, and friendship. Finally, heartfelt thank you to NIT Jalandhar for believing in us and giving a chance to live our dream. At last, we are just the stars when we come to NIT. But dear NIT Jalandhar, you made us constellation. You made us recognizable. Thank you and good luck.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for your kind words. Anyone from seniors to share their experience, please? Okay, Adarsh, you can continue with the game.
Just a minute, just a minute. I'm coming. So now let's continue it from the point we left it, or do you want to start it from the starting? Anyone have problem if I continue it from the point where we left? I think no. So let's start from the sixth question. So your sixth question is, never have I ever bunked HOD's class. I see lot of hands. Our seniors were not enough. So
ऐसे तो हमारे एचओडी सर बहुत अच्छा पढ़ाते हैं, बट समटाइम्स हमारी प्रायोरिटीज बदल जाती है, हमारे वर्क उनके सामने बदल जाते हैं, तो इसलिए
okay, now let's move on to the next question. And our next question, ma'am, please lower your hands. Smita ma'am. Okay. Now your seventh question is, being in a chalk and paper fight, those airplane fights and chalk fights we used to do in the classes. Whomsoever have been in those fights, please raise your hands. At any stage, any school, in college, or wherever else you want. Okay, many people were there. Okay, but please turn on your cameras so that we can see your expressions. Okay. Okay, lower your hands, please. I request you to kindly raise the hand at the instant you read the question, because I have seen that you keep on raising hand after 10 seconds too. So please raise it immediately. So now let's proceed to the next question. That is 8th question of this section. Never have I ever burst firecracker in school, college, or hostel's washroom. You have 5 seconds for this. Oh, we have pretty much naughty seniors.
धनंजय ने कुछ नहीं छोड़ा लगता।
yes. इस क्वेश्चन को देख के तो मुझे मेरे बचपन की याद भी आ गई। एक बार ऐसे मेरे फ्रेंड ने टीचर्स की टेबल स्टूल के नीचे फायर क्रैकर रख दिया था, देन वो आके बैठे तो क्लास में बड़ा सा ब्लास्ट हुआ, तो बहुत फनी सीन क्रिएट हुआ उधर।
हाँ, ऐसे कुछ किस्से हमारे भी हुए थे। Okay, now let's move on to the next question. That's 9th question of this segment, and it's, never have I ever found a class boring in offline mode while you were studying at the NIT and took a power nap in the class without getting caught. क्लास में सो गए और पकड़े नहीं गए। Okay, pretty much seniors are there. Oh my god.
Of course, बोरिंग क्लास में नहीं ना नेचुरली होता है.
आ जाती थी. Okay, now let's move on to the next question. That is 10th question of this segment. Never have I ever stole food from friend's tiffin and kept it back in his or her bag. खाना खा के टिफिन वापस बैग में पहुंचा दिया.
कॉलेज में कि स्कूल में?
कहीं भी, अभी आप कहीं भी ले लो. Okay, I see pretty much serious over here. Okay. Now, let's move on to the next question of this segment. Question number 11. And the 11th question is, never have I ever dumped a friend in dustbin. This have came from seniors to us. Our seniors told us about this, that they have done such thing for fun purpose only, obviously. So, okay.
सीनियर नहीं बताया था इसके बारे में.
हाँ.
Dhananjay, please share this experience. Why you have done this thing?
Ma'am, I'd rather not share it.
यही बातें तो बाद में याद आएंगी.
Oh भाई. Abhishek Upmaniyu's fan is he. Okay, now let's move on to the next question. Never have I ever locked a friend in classroom, washroom, or hostel's room. Just for fun. You pretty much seniors are there. You guys had a lot of fun in the hostel. Okay, now you can lower your hands. Now let's move on to the next question. That is 13th question of this segment. And that is, never have I ever shouted suddenly or made weird noises behind the back of teacher in ongoing class. अजीब आवाजें निकाली हो या अचानक से चिल्ला दी हो क्लास में while teacher was present over there.
अनइंटेंशनली किया है, वैसे इंटेंशनली के साथ नहीं.
सर चलने दो, आप तो याद तो है ना वो. Okay. Seniors were there. People have done this. So now you can lower your hands. I request you, please don't lower your hand until I ask to do so. Otherwise, that will not be recorded. Okay? Okay. Now let's, sir, lower the hand. Manik, sir. Now I'm going to ask the next question. That's 14th question of this segment. Never have I ever ragged a senior. Not getting ragged by a senior, ragging a senior. Okay, one or two of you.
इंदौर ट्रिप.
Oh.
हाँ, इंदौर ट्रिप पे.
काश हम भी आपसे मिल पाते और इस बारे में कुछ सोचते, बट अब तो क्या ही कहें.
सर आप तो बड़े हैवी ड्राइवर हो. सही में मौज करते
एक्सपीरियंस शेयर कर दे.
यस सर.
मानिक एक्सपीरियंस शेयर कर दे.
सर प्लीज इफ यू वांट टू यू कैन. मानिक सर.
एक्सपीरियंस इंदौर ट्रिप के ऊपर बहुत कुछ हुआ था. ये भी एक पार्ट था.
किसको करा था ये तो बता दे.
मानिक वो चाय समोसे वाला.
समोसे वाला है मानिक तो.
इसको रैक किया था तूने, ये तो बता दे.
लवप्रीत, अंशिका मैम.
भाई चलो प्लस सर प्लीज lower your hands. Now let's move on to the next question. Now the 15th question of this segment is, never have I ever been to campus's roof. कॉलेज की छत पे कभी गए हो? You have done that too.
डीजे सौरभ टंकी पे गए हो यार.
टंकी पे चढ़ गए.
Sir, ma'am, don't lower your hand, please. If you have been there, please raise your hands. Okay. I think this have been recorded. तो काश हम भी होते वहाँ, हम भी जाते. तो कोई ना, आएंगे जब देखेंगे. Sir, lower your hand, please. Now let's move on to the next question. That is 16th question of this segment. That is, never have I ever done BPL on friend's birthday. बम पे बर्थडे बाउंस देना दोस्तों को.
ये तो नॉर्मल इक्वेशन है ना, मतलब इक्वेशन तो हर बार ही
ये
होता है
तो
ना।
वहाँ चलता ही रहता है,
ये तो हॉस्टल का पार्ट है।
कोई नई
उसके
बात
बाद
नहीं है ये।
होता है, ये तो बिना मतलब
ये तो बहुत माइनर सी चीज है, बेल्टो से मारा है।
ये तो ऐसे ऐसे हैं कि देखे नहीं जाए तुमसे।
अब तो डर लग रहा है आने में।
सड़ी हुई दही भी ऊपर डाली है।
हाँ
ओ
एकदम
भाई,
10-12 दिन की।
पता नहीं कौन खाया था।
ओ भाई, तगड़ा। Okay, I think it have been recorded. Please lower your hands. So now let's move on to the next question of this segment. Question number 17. Never have I ever hit a teacher with paper plane or something that of course does not hurt the teacher, and someone else got scolded for that at any point of time in your life. Okay, these are wildest imaginations, but no one had done it, I think.
Buddy. In this way, our seniors are 6 years.
Pretty sincere.
No,
Okay.
we were daring, but we were not stupid.
Yes, yes. I got this on Google. It was not my idea. Okay. Now let's move on to the second next question. That is 18th question of this segment. Never have I ever mimicked teachers. Teachers की mimicry. Yes, some seniors have done this.
ये तो ऑफिशियली की हुई है टीचर्स डे पे।
पता नहीं सर, हम तो थे नहीं ना, इसीलिए। I think the thing has been recorded, so you can lower your hands. Okay, now let's move on to the next slide. Question number 19th of this segment. Never have I ever took a sick leave and caught hanging out red-handed. बीमारी बोल के छुट्टी ली और बाहर टीचर ने पकड़ लिया घूमते हुए. मानिक सर एंड डीजे सर हैव डन एवरीथिंग.
प्रोजेक्ट टाइम के अंदर बहुत कुछ हुआ है।
Oh. Right. Okay, I think the responses have been recorded. Now let's move on to the next segment of this section. Question number 20. Never have I ever left class with an excuse of going washroom and went back to that class almost at the end of class. Yeah, pretty much seniors are there who have done this. Okay. I think the response has been recorded. You can now lower your hands. Now let's move on to the next question or the next segment. Question number 21. Never have I ever wrote or drew on friend's face or clothes. चेहरे पे कुछ बनाया हो या ड्रॉ कर दिया हो. Just keep your hand raised only. अभी डाउन मत करना प्लीज. Okay, okay. I think the response has been recorded. Please lower your hands. Vandana ma'am, please lower your hand. Okay, now let's move on to the next question. And that's 22. Never have I ever went to canteen bunking the lectures. Yes, I was expecting entire class in this. And that expectation is coming true. Yes, now you can lower your hands. Now let's move on to the next question. That's 23. Never have I ever stole sweet from friend's plate in mess. मिठाइयों के पीछे लड़ाइयाँ भी हुई होगी, पता क्या मैच वगैरह में. चलो,
मानिक झूठ बोल रहा है.
सबसे ज्यादा इसने ही खाई है।
सर फैक्ट चेक भी आप ही कर सकते हो, मैं कौन झूठ बोल रहा है कौन सच. Okay, I think response have been recorded. Let's move on to the next segment. Never have I ever broken instrument in lab and escaped without getting caught. Yeah, pretty much of seniors have done that.
Manik.
Manik sir is playing safe. Okay. Now Now let's. I think
कुछ
this is the
राज
last.
राज ही रहे तो सही है.
Yes. sir.
Views क्लियर नहीं हुए होंगे ना अभी.
अभी नो ड्यूज फिल नहीं हुआ है.
I think this was the last question of our this whole game. So let's end this game. Now I request you all, if any one of you want to share any particular memory of your these days after listening all these memories, or any memory which you remember that you want to share and are comfortable to share over here, please share it. It will be fun for you and us also.
क्लास बंक करके क्रिकेट खेलने जाना.
क्लास में मानिक की शर्ट फाड़ना.
ये था एक्चुअली, पर हमने हटा दिया था. ओ भाई.
चप्पल के
और
साथ
any
फुटबॉल
faculty
खेल
member? क्या?
क्लास चल रही थी, उधर पीछे चप्पलों के साथ फुटबॉल खेल रहे थे.
चप्पल फुटबॉल.
भाई तगड़ा. Any other senior or any other faculty member who want to share your experiences or the memories with this batch? So he or she can. I don't think anyone is there. So this is the end of game. We will declare the results shortly. Thank you so much, sir, for playing the game. This is the end of game. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you, Adarsh, for entertaining all. Now we will present a beautiful video of Selja from first year MSc Physics.
यादों के पुराने एल्बम में छुपा के रखे हैं हमने वो दिन, गुल्लक में बड़ी चवन्नी सी बचा के रखे हैं हमने वो दिन. ना किसी मंजिल की फिक्र थी, जिंदगी जीने की उम्र थी, दोस्ती और दोस्तों से उधार के दिन थे. वो दिन भी क्या दिन थे, वो दिन भी क्या दिन थे. ओ ले लो पैसा, ले लो प्यार, मैनू मेरे यार मोड़ दो. ओ ले लो पैसा, ले लो प्यार, मैनू मेरे यार मोड़ दो. ओ किसी कम दीनी ये है महंगे कार, मैनू मेरे यार मोड़ दो. ओ किसी कम दीनी ये है महंगे कार, मैनू मेरे यार मोड़ दो. वो भी ये समा, ये भी ये समा, समेत चले जोर ना. ओ ये भी है अंबरा दी छां, मेरे नाल होर कोई ना. ओ मैनू चढ़ दी ना बिना मेरे यार, ओ शराबी यार मोड़ दो. ओ मैनू चढ़ दी ना बिना मेरे यार, ओ शराबी यार मोड़ दो. ओ ले लो पैसा, ले लो प्यार, मैनू मेरे यार मोड़ दो. बिगड़े हुए इंसान थे, शैतान की संतान थे, लेकिन ब्रदर जो भी कहो वो यार ही तो जान थे. कॉलेज की कुड़ी से करने आंखें चार के दिन थे, आए जिंदगी में पहले पहले प्यार के दिन थे. वो दिन भी क्या दिन थे, वो दिन भी क्या दिन थे, वो दिन भी क्या दिन थे, वो दिन भी क्या दिन थे.
That was a good performance. Thank you, Selja. Now,
we are glad to have a performance by Rajesh sir, ex-president of our society.
साया भी जिस्म से होता है क्या जुदा, जितनी भी जोर की राज आँखें तेरी सब बयां तेरी सुन रहा दिल तेरी खामोशी। जीने का तू सहारा, तू ही रोशनी, कहता है हर सितारा मेरी तू चांदनी। हम जुदा हो जाए ऐसा मुमकिन नहीं, धूप हो तुम मेरी, हो तुम पास हो तो दूर है तन्हाई। कुछ कहो ना सुनो, पास मेरे हो, इश्क की कैसी है ये गहराई।
wow, what an amazing voice. Thank you so much, sir. Now, most beautiful part is going to be presented. That is none other than the video of memories of our seniors.
यारों की यारी ताजी करारी, उस पे है मौका फिर काहे की दुनियादारी। म्यूजिक लगाए महफिल जमाए, दुनिया की ऐसी की तैसी दो जिम्मेदारी। ओ क्या छोरा, ओ क्या छोरी, ओ से everybody से वो है हम भी, ओ तुम भी, ओ तो चालू हो पजामा पार्टी। एफो आओ रे आओ पीपो, भाओ ना खाओ से चिल्ला के गाओ दी से दारू पी के जाओ। एफो आओ रे आओ पीपो, भाओ ना खाओ से चिल्ला के गाओ दी से दारू पी के जाओ। तू ही है बस तू ही है मेरी हर हंसी में, तू ही है, तू ही है बस तू ही है हर लम्हे में और साल में। तू ही है बस तू ही है मेरे गम खुशी में, तू ही है, तू ही है बस तू ही है तेरी दोस्ती हर हाल में। घर मुड़ के देखो जो मैं जरा जुदा यारा, तेरी यारी उम्र सारी साथ है यारा, तेरी यारी उम्र सारी साथ है यारा, तेरी यारी उम्र सारी साथ है यारा, तेरी यारी उम्र सारी। बिन कहे सब सुन लेता है मेरा यार, दर्द से खुशियाँ चुन लेता है मेरा यार, दुनिया से वो लड़ जाता है मेरे लिए, लेकिन मुझसे हार जाता है मेरा यार। घर मुड़ के देखो जो मैं जरा, तो कभी ना रहा तुझसे जुदा यारा, तेरी यारी उम्र सारी साथ है। वे मैं जिन्नी वारी दुनिया ते आवा, तेरे वर्गा यार ही पावा, वे मैं जिन्नी वारी दुनिया ते आवा, तेरे वर्गा यार ही पावा, मेरा भाई मेरा यार मेरी जान तू, तेरे पीछे किसी तो भी लड़ जावा, बस तू ही मेरा यार, बस तू ही मेरा प्यार, तेरे उत्तों वारी दुनिया में सारी, तेरी यारी तेरी यारी तेरी यारी, तेरी यारी तेरी यारी तेरी यारी, मेरी जान से भी ज्यादा मुझे प्यारी, तेरी यारी तेरी यारी। तू जरूरत है, तू हकीकत है, तू जरूरत है, तू हकीकत है, तू खुदा की है रहमत जरा, तू जरूरत है, तू हकीकत है, तू खुदा की है रहमत जरा, मेरी जिंदगी का पहला सट्टा तेरे हाथों से हुआ, मेरी जिंदगी की पहली बोतल तूने ही तो खोली, मेरी जिंदगी का पहला सट्टा तेरे हाथों से हुआ, मेरी जिंदगी की पहली बोतल तूने ही खोली थी, तेरी मेरी दोस्ती, तेरी मेरी दोस्ती, कितना कमीना है तू, कमीना है।
We hope you like this video. Surely you
Thank you
guys
so
have a
much.
lot of memories to rely on.
Thank you so much for the video. It was awesome.
Thank you. We are glad that you liked the video. Now, moving ahead, we have another interesting game for you guys. You have to guess the name of a movie by its dialogue. Rule is simple. If you know the name, then just raise your hand and try to be please quick because chance to answer will be given to the first one. Please keep your mic muted until asked. When we'll pronounce your name, then you have to unmute your mic. So let's start. So your first movie is अब राजा का बेटा राजा नहीं बनेगा, राजा वही बनेगा जो हकदार होगा. Vishnu Jangir sir.
Super 30.
Yes, it's correct answer. Second, बच्चा काबिल बनो काबिल, कामयाबी तो साली झक मार के पीछे आएगी. Dhananjay Singh sir.
Three Idiots.
Yes, it's the correct answer. Third, टेंशन लेने का नहीं सिर्फ देने का.
ये तो मैंने लिखा था यार, ये तो
कोई बात नहीं, हम मूवी भी बता दो. No one
बता
has
दे
raised
फिर.
the hand.
तेरा डायलॉग कहाँ यूज हुआ बता दे.
प्लगैरिज्म हो गया यार.
प्लेगरिज्म का कमेंट करते भाई.
हाँ भाई, कॉपीराइट इशू मार.
सुनना भाई MBBS का है.
Yes, this is the right answer. मुन्ना भाई
ये सर्च कर
MBBS.
सकता है, पता नहीं इसका पीछे सर्च भी कर सकता है ये।
मुझे आवाज आ रही है, कीबोर्ड की आवाज आ रही है।
फिर वो फन नहीं होगा ना. ओके, नेक्स्ट. कितनी शिद्दत से मैंने तुम्हें पाने की कोशिश की है कि हर जर्रे ने मुझे तुमसे मिलाने की साजिश की है. धनंजय सिंह सर.
ओम शांति ओम.
Yes, it's the correct answer. Om Shanti Om. Now next. 1 second. दोस्ती का एक उसूल है मैडम, नो सॉरी नो थैंक यू. धनंजय सर.
अजब प्रेम की गजब कहानी.
No, it's the wrong answer. Anyone else would like to say?
ये जवानी है दीवानी.
नहीं. दोस्ती का एक उसूल है मैडम, नो सॉरी नो थैंक यू.
है रणबीर कपूर की मूवी है ये, और
या फिर शाहरुख खान की.
सलमान खान की है.
फिर तो पक्का नहीं पता मुझे.
अंकुश सर.
मैंने प्यार किया.
Yes, it's the correct answer. But please try to be quick. Okay, so next is, मैं उड़ना चाहता हूँ, दौड़ना चाहता हूँ, गिरना भी चाहता हूँ, बस रुकना नहीं चाहता.
ये उसी का है.
धनंजय सर.
YGHT.
Yes, it's the correct. आदमी तभी बड़ा बनता है जब बड़े लोग तुमसे मिलने का इंतजार करें. Anyone? Any idea?
शायद स्कैम का है. स्कैम.
नहीं. Once upon a time in Mumbai. Okay, next is, तुम्हारा प्यार ना हो गया, UPSC का एग्जाम हो गया, 10 साल से पास ही नहीं हो रहा. अंकुश सर.
रांझना.
Yes, it's the correct answer, Ranjana. Next is, रोना, गुस्सा, नफरत कुछ भी खुलकर एक्सप्रेस नहीं करने दिया, अब प्यार कैसे एक्सप्रेस करें. प्रॉक्सी सर.
डियर जिंदगी.
Yes, it's the correct answer, dear जिंदगी. Next is, तुम्हारा रिजल्ट डिसाइड नहीं करता कि तुम लूजर हो या नहीं, तुम्हारी कोशिश करती है. विष्णु सर.
छिछोरे.
ये
Yes,
हमारी
it's
फर्स्ट और
correct.
लास्ट मूवी थी NIT जलंधर की, जो हमने सबने इकट्ठे देखी थी.
अरे वाह, ये मूवी भी काफी अच्छी थी. प्यार सोच समझ कर नहीं किया जाता, बस हो जाता है. Anyone? धनंजय सर.
मे बी ए दिल है मुश्किल.
नहीं. Okay, it's a movie. It's a dialogue from a movie, दिल चाहता है. Okay, so that's it for the game. I hope you enjoyed this game. Handing over to Pratibha.
What?
Shweta, poetry.
Yeah. कौन कहता है कि विदाई होगी, ये अफवाह किसी गैर ने उड़ाई होगी. रहेंगे हम भी दिलों में आपके, कुछ जगह हमने भी तो बनाई होगी. With these lines, I would like to invite Ms. Shweta Chaudhary from first year to present her poetry.
जो डूबना हो.
Shweta, wait, Shweta, your voice is not clear.
तुम्हारे शहर का मौसम बड़ा सुहाना लगे, मैं एक दिन चुरा लूं अगर बुरा ना लगे. जो डूबना हो तो इतना सुकून से डूबो, जो डूबना हो तो इतना सुकून से डूबो कि आसपास की लहरों को भी पता ना लगे. तुम्हारे वश में हो तो भूल जाना हमें, तुम्हारे वश में हो तो भूल जाना हमें, तुम्हें भूलने में हमें शायद जमाना लगे। आदर, अभिनंदन, आभार, good evening, आदाब, सत श्री अकाल. Hello everyone, I am Shweta. Today I have an opportunity to be here. Now I am presenting some lines written by me for my seniors. Let's enjoy. जब अपनों के लिए अल्फाज कम पड़ जाएं, जब छोटों के लिए जज्बात कम पड़ जाएं, जब फिसलने लगे समय की धार रेत की तरह, जब मंजिल खड़ी हो सामने पर्वत की तरह, तब लगता है समय विदाई का आ गया, अब समय जीवन की पढ़ाई का आ गया। अजीब वक्त ये विदाई का होता है, मिलन और बिछोह तो बहता हुआ सोता है। किसी की मुस्कुराहट के पीछे ये गम की कोई आहट है, तो कहीं रिश्तों की ही ये गर्माहट है। छोड़ दो तुम वो सब जो भी कड़वाहट है, देखो ये रंगीन नजारे तुम्हारी ही तो सजावट है। हर पल हर घड़ी इंतजार बस ये करती रहे, बस खुशियों की कलियां जीवन में खिलती रहें। बस इतना ख्याल रहे ये विदाई कभी जुदाई ना बने, अपना कभी अपनों से गैर ना बने। याद आएगा ये कोरोना काल, याद आएगी ये ऑनलाइन क्लासें, भुला ना पाएंगे हम वो खट्टी मीठी बातें। इन यादों को समेटे कर्तव्य पथ पर बढ़ते जाना, कोशिश कर आशा डोर पकड़ जीवन में खरे उतरते जाना। अंत में मैं अपने शब्दों को विराम देना चाहूंगी किसी गजलकार की इन चंद पंक्तियों के साथ। निगाहों में सपना सजाकर तो देखो, इरादे को मकसद बनाकर तो देखो। किनारे पे रहकर किसे क्या मिला है, जरा बीच सागर में जाकर तो देखो। सितारे से आगे है मंजिल तुम्हारी, जरा हौसलों को जगाकर तो देखो। थैंक यू एवरीवन।
Thank you, Shweta. That was incredibly nice. You have written a beautiful poem. We all are happy to hear that. Now, I would like to say that the winner of movie game is Dhananjay sir. Congratulations, sir. Now, I would like to invite HOD sir to announce Mr. Farewell and Miss Farewell of the batch 2019. Sir. Okay, we have the winner of Never Have I Ever also. First position is for Dhananjay sir, second is Vishnu sir, third is Shubham ma'am. Congratulations to you guys.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, I think HOD sir is not here with us. Now, on everyone's behalf, I would like to conclude by wishing you all the best in your future endeavors. Now, I would like to invite the president of our society, Ms. Manpreet ma'am, to address you all.
Thank you, Vidhi. I would like to thank everyone for giving us their precious time. I am extremely thankful to our distinguished alumni, Dr. Keshav, for taking out time from his busy schedule and sharing his life experience with us. I would like to express my sincere gratitude to our worthy director sir, HOD sir, faculty coordinators and faculty members for joining us today and making this evening blissful for all the passing out students. Also, I would like to congratulate Miss Nisha, our cultural head, and her whole team for coordinating with MSc 1 and organizing this event very beautifully. Thank you, Nisha. At last, I wish good luck to all passing out students. May you all achieve more and have a beautiful life ahead. PSS wishes you all a huge success. Thank you. Thank you very much, everyone.
At end, I would like to play a video for you.
यारों की यारी ऐसी बीमारी बड़ी नशीली ये जिम्मेदारी यारों की यारी ऐसी बीमारी बड़ी नशीली ये जिम्मेदारी गलती करे बिन बात के पीछे हटे ना इस राह पे उल्टी चले बिन ताल के टेढ़े ही रहते ये रास्ते हम जो मिले तो मिलते रहे जो मेरे संग तो चलते रहे जो चले पल पल बढ़ते रहे जो बढ़े रुक ना सके घड़ी की टिक टिक है लापता ये दुनिया तारी लगती सजा मस्ती ने छोड़ो चाटो हम तुम यहाँ तू जो रूठा तो कौन हंसेगा तू जो छूटा तो कौन रहेगा तू चुप है तो ये डर लगता है अपना मुझको अब कौन कहेगा तू ही वजह तेरे बिना बेवजह बेकार हूँ मैं तेरा यार हूँ मैं तेरा यार
No, 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 no.
Okay.
No, 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 no.